I still sit staring at the lonely silence. Under the dim light I meet myself, as if life is asking, are you still standing? There are many paths I once wanted to take. Many names disappeared before I reached them. There are prayers that never came true, and hopes that died silently. But time has taught me one thing: not all loss means failure. Because life isn't of possessions, but learning to let go of what's gone. What's left behind isn't wealth or praise, but a heart that remains full of kindness. Even though the world isn't always on my side, I still choose to be that little light. There's an empty chair that used to be filled. There's laughter that now remains in memory. Time brings everything to its end. Nothing truly stays forever. I was once angry at the way fate played out. Why does happiness only come for a short time? But the sky whispered softly to me, even the stars shine after the clouds turn gray. And wounds that never fully heal often actually make the soul grow. Because life leads me home. No one will ask how much you held. All that's remembered are the traces you left behind. Did you have time to strengthen a heart that's lost? Because life is just a drop in the ocean between the arrival and departure of life. If today is still a chance, don't delay love, don't delay kindness, because everything we hold will be lost, but the love we give will remain remembered. The lights are still on. The silence no longer feels the same. I understand one simple thing. Life becomes beautiful when the heart accepts.